Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, what I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart still, it's just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based off of foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 26 cents, the newest area of support, and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 26. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 26, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, keep an eye on the purple line, as I've talked about in past videos, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Key term being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 26 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the party finally stopped today right up there at the 20, we'll call it right slightly above 28.5 cents, give or take, right around there. So 28.5 going to be public enemy number one, but resistance levels just don't matter on this one. I think I've said this in past videos, but what do I mean by they don't matter? Well, what matters is what the price has been doing, and that is this right here. Just building higher bases. So as long as higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidation, focus on chipping away at those higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.